Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 2 in my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on these Rainbow Scribble Christmas trees. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Bat Bitch. Then I'll be using one coat black to basically sketch an outline of where I want the tree to be. And for the rainbow, I'm going to be using Polar Princess, Scorched Earth, Halogen Glow, Celestial Lights, Freezer Burn, and Twilight Shimmer. I have a small lid, and I'm going to use that to put out a bit of one coat black. Then I'm going to be using a small striper brush to basically kind of sketch out an outline of where I want the rainbow tree to be. To apply the shimmers, I decided to use a small dotting tool rather than a small brush. And I'm going to get all 6 colors out on the lid and then start applying them to the tree outlines. I did just a little bit of touch-up once I finished all of the trees, and now I'm going to go ahead and finish everything off with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out, both as a full manicure and as an accent nail. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can really see the shimmer as well as their color shift. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.